My lord, on behalf of Miss B. Devi, I beg to mention item number 8. She is out of station on medical ground, my lord. May come after 2 weeks. She has filed letter of absence also.
It is submitted that MSP Devi, Grant Council for the petitioner. Is on leave by submitting leave note for her medical treatment. As such, for adjournment of the matter for a period of 3 weeks or 2 weeks.
2 weeks, my lord.
Prayer allowed. Adjourn for 2 days to release the matter on a date to be fixed with the state.
Highly obliged.
May I please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26. The engaged counsel of this case is not present. Lordship, kindly adjourn the matter for 1 week.
What's your good name?
L. Borwa.
Full name?
Luna Borwa.
Itu hokra to tarin, itu hokra to tarin. Yes.
Obliged.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, on behalf of Mr. A.M. Khan, I beg to mention item number 5, lordship. Lordship, matter may kindly be taken after 1 week.
Good, good. What's your good name?
M. Das,
Full name?
Mayuri Das.
My friend, Your Lordship, I would like to mention item number 20 for adjournment, Your Lordship. The engaged counsel is not well and he could not appear before the court today.
Mm, 24. Mr. Rahman is not well.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What's your good name?
Samim Rahman.
2 weeks on a date.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Sheikh.
My lord, it is a contested case, Your Lordship. So, impugn order starts from page 50. Sorry, madam. It starts from page 54. But, now Your Lordship may turn to page 57. Regarding exhibit A is the certified copy of voter list 66. B is the certified.
Where is the
copy
link
of-
document?
My lord,
Link document.
link document Panchayat certificate. Man. Exhibit D is the GP certificate of the OP.
Has it been proved?
Exhibit D.
Has it been proved? How it was proved?
My
before
lord,
the
it is
tribunal?
proved by an officer, my lord. That is Gautam Roy.
Record was placed
Next
before the
para.
tribunal.
Yes, my lord. A Gautam Chandra Roy, son of Hemkanta Roy, as at I am page 57, my lord. As at about 50 years, tax collector, adduce evidence as DW2, who is cross-examined, has stated that exhibit D is issued by the secretary.
Where is the evidence of DW3, DW4? Have you annexed?
Yes, my lord. Additional affidavit may be taken, my lord. Page 50, my lord. I'm sorry. Page 50 may be looked into. Page 50, 51. The contents mentioned in GP certificate are true to the best of my knowledge and belief. The contents of para 1 to 16 of the affidavit are true to my best of my knowledge and belief.
Continue reading.
Hello.
Please read.
Page 50 onwards, madam. I am
No,
Gautam
no,
Praswancho.
no.
That I am Indian citizen by birth. I have been
No, no,
working
read.
as
Mr. Sheikh,
tax collector.
kindly read page number 16 or 17 of your affidavit.
16,
Annexure 21.
Annexure 20. Annexure 21.
Your affidavit.
Additional affidavit.
That's right.
Yes. DW Force Cross, my lord.
Hmm.
Gautam Chandra Rai, 50 years. Let's
You start from Exhibit D.
Exhibit D is issued by the Mornoy GP. Same issued by Secretary Dinabandhu Das, D. Dan, on 29/12/2010 in favor of Rahom Ali, son of Solimuddin of village Mona Kosa under P.S. Mornoy, district Golpara. Exhibit D is the BPL certificate, as the exhibit certificate was issued on the basis of verbal evidence. No recommendation was made by unit member or president of the GP. Name of OP recorded in BPL list, but the same is not bring today. I do not say on what basis the secretary issued that certificate.
So the record was not placed before the tribunal,
Madam.
Yeah. right? So in that case, what will happen? How do you prove your linkage? Heard Mr. M.A. Seth. Not counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. B. Sharma, Lanet CGC. For the respondent number 1, also heard Mr. Z. Sharma, Standing Counsel, Home Department, Assam, for the respondent numbers 2 and 3. Mr. P. Sharma, Additional Senior Government Advocate, Assam, for the respondent number 4. And Mr. Kuli, you are there? Standing Counsel.
Others can also different losses.
That will see in the main stage. On being referred by the Superintendent Police, Walpar. Particularly regarding the nationality of the petition. FT case number FT within bracket 5, numerical 5. Bracket close 346 oblique MO oblique 16 was registered. And the landed member Fairness Tribunal number 50 by the impugn opinion dated 02/05/2019. After hearing the petitioner, another parties considering the evidence adduced by him. After hearing the petitioner, the evidence adduced by him, and on hearing other parties, find the petitioner to be a foreigner. Foreigner like 1946. Dissatisfied with the said opinion dated 02/05/2019. The petitioner filed a writ petition on 24/07/2019. Okay. Before we proceed further, we propose. Mr. Sek, take your seat.
Hello. Obliged.
Use the records of say referee case number such and such in origin. Okay, call for the record. Release this matter for motion immediately. Appear before, if in the meanwhile, the petitioner hasn't been taken into custody pursuant to the impugned opinion dated 02/05/2019, he shall not be taken into custody, shall not be deported. Subject to the condition that he appears before the Supreme Police Court at Valpara on or before 05/02/2024. Baki condition. Mr. Sharma, you will produce the record, we will ask the registry to produce it.
I can, Lordship.
The name that looks, then issue notice negative proposal, list on for it. 15th of February, not 15th. I think you might back the date. 15th of February. The said date. Honorable member, Fairness Tribunal, 5th Valpara, shall place the relevant warrants of FT case number disposed upon 02/05/2000. Two, Mr. Z. Sharma, Standing Counsel, Home Department, and Puranam. Copy of this order be furnished to Mr. for his necessary use.
My lord, I have been granted interim protection.
Yes, yes.
Obliged,
Appear
Lordship.
before the SP border Golpara on or before 5th.
Obliged, Lordship.
Why this has been listed? Any idea? Any idea?
No lordship.
Mr. Sharma,
Lordship.
this repetition was also because the procedure was taken into custody
Lordship.
and procedure failed to file his written statement. And there was a prayer for remanding the matter. And since the petitioner failed to submit the written statement on the fixed date, it was submitted, but after 4:30.
Yes.
But the tribunal in the meanwhile have already, by passing an ex parte order, appoint a petitioner to give prayer. Since the petitioner was already in custody, the court considered the matter on 1st of March 2021.
Lordship.
And LCR was called for prior to that.
Yeah.
And on 1st of March 2021, the impugned order was set aside
Lordship.
and directed the Furnace Tribunal Jorhat to reconsider the matter.
Hmm.
Directing the authorities concerned to release the petitioner
Yeah.
from detention. We do not know about the status. I don't know why it has been listed again today. So and since he was arrested prior to the COVID period,
Yes,
might have
Lord.
also been released from the detention. Let us know about the status of this case.
Yes.
From Furnace Tribunal Jorhat. Today, we are not passing any order.
Lordship.
We want to know what is the status.
Yes, Lordship.
It is seen on perusal of the order. There is 0103/2021. Global list for the full group and by order it is 0103/2021. First in IA within bracket civil bracket close 407/2021. Which the present date petition. After hearing the parties and considering the record, the coordinate bench by the said order dated set aside the impugned order dated 25/09/2019 passed by the learned member Furnace Tribunal Jorhat in FT case number FT/SBR 2442/2007. Directing the petitioner to appear before the said tribunal within 2 weeks of being released from detention with the further observation that if the petitioner fails to appear before the tribunal within 2 weeks from the date of his release from detention, the said order dated 25/09/2019 passed by the Foreigners Tribunal Jorhat shall stand revived, and that the petitioner will face the consequence of law. The record it was of such and such case number it was called for was also sent back to the Foreigners Tribunal Jorhat. Considering the above, Mr. G. Sharma, standing counsel for the department, on the next date fixed, shall apprise the court about the status of FT case number FT/SPR/2442/2007, corresponding to FT case number 130/2007. That was pending before the Foreigners Tribunal Jorhat. Up to date transcript. List on. How much time, Mr. Sharma?
My lord.
By
It's
7th,
enough, lordship. 2 weeks.
7th of February.
Uh,
Sufficient time.
Yes, lord. Can I take a copy of the petition, lordship, because somewhere misplaced, lordship, my copy.
Do what? Copy of the this order, along with a copy of the order, that is 0103/2021. Passed earlier in IAC such and such matter will be furnished to Mr. G. Sharma for his necessary use.
Okay.
Yeah, your lordship. Right on the last revision, your lordship, to complete interim, my lord, and call for the reports, my lord. The reports has been received, my lord. Actually. The order date is 17/11/23.
Let's take your seat. Let us see.
May I please your lordship? Maybe listed for admission, my lord. Today I'm not well, my lord. I'm feeling such cold, my lord.
Mr.
Yes, my.
Counsel for the petitioner. As prayed for adjournment of the matter today, as he is unwell. To his counsel for the respondents have no objection. Prayer allowed. Placed on. First. February.
Obliged, my lord. Obliged.
For motion.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, petitioner is in interim bail. Elster has received, matter may fix for hearing.
We are fixing, we are hearing, considering the matter for motion. That is the reason we have fixed it. We will try to dispose of in the motion stage itself after hearing you.
Lordship, today, I'm
Not
not
prepared.
ready for hearing, lordship.
You are not ready for hearing. Tell us when you will be ready.
Lordship, may I fix a date, lordship?
We are going to fix a date. Okay. 38, 30. Next year,
Obliged.
on the prayer of the council for the petitioner. MS.
T. Begum.
eBay.
Obliged.
Maybe lordship. Lordship, in this case, rule has been issued, my lord. Elsewhere also called for, my lord. And as per the lordship direction, my lord, the petitioner appear before the SP, my lord, to Nagaon, and the concerned police station, my lord, regularly. Further, my lord, conducting counsel, Mr. A.K. Sharma, he's asked me, my lord, he is not well today. And I will also ready, my lord, if you are lord. Rule has been issued. The only ground, my lord, the school certificate is the override. Then otherwise,
In this matter, rule was issued on 04/10/2023. And the record was called for, however. Index state petition has been listed today for motion. Registry shall list this matter for hearing. February 28th.
28, I had some problem, my lord. 28th of February.
Mr. Sharma is appearing. What is your problem?
I am also assisting, my lord.
You want to assist him? 15th of February.
Um,
Zero dismiss no vote. No representation on behalf of the petitioner. Adjourn for that.
May it please the lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this matter was last listed on 10/11/2023. On that day, lordship has asked me for the Jamabandi, which I have annexed, lordship. Actually, I have annexed the full Jamabandi, but inadvertently one last page was left out, lordship. And today records were there. Moreover, I have the certified copy of the Jamabandi, lordship. So,
Okay, please start. Just a minute, please take your seat. For a
yes,
while.
lordship. I have only Jamabandi copy. Yeah.
Ms. Betala, we'll take up this matter after completion of the regular motion. Okay,
Yes, lordship.
we'll come back after some time.
Yes.
Let us finish the up to item number 14 up to item number 14. Then,
Yes.
since you are ready with the matter,
May I please, Lordship? So in this case, Lordship, it is contested case, Lordship. My grandfather's name, Lordship, is in the voter of 66, 70, 77, Lordship. And my parents' name, Lordship, in the voter of 1989, Lordship. And my father, on paternal uncle, Lordship, they deposed, Lordship, for my dad, Lordship. And two Gauras also deposed, Lordship. One from my father's parents' village, Lordship. One from my husband's village, Lordship. And marriage certificate also there, Lordship. But with the Lordship, some controversial Lordship found by tribunal, Lordship. They say that these are disbelief, Lordship. My cards, all iPads, Lordship, they are also disbelief, Lordship. And Gaura certificate, Lordship, Gaura clearly deposed, Lordship. It's from my parents' village, Lordship.
Heard Mr. Ashok, counsel appearing for the petition. Mr. B. Sharma, standing Lanet City for explanation number 1. Mr. Z. Sharma, standing counsel from Department Assam for 2 and 5. Colleague, standing counsel for explanation number 3. B. Sharma, for 4. On being referred by Superintendent of Police, Border, Kamrup, Amina. The learned member for next tribunal number 2, Kamrup at Popo. In BFT case number 247 of 2015. After hearing the petitioner and considering the evidence adduced by her, and also and on hearing the other party, by the impugned opinion dated 31/08/2023, appoint the petitioner to be a foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1946. Who failed to establish her linkage with an Indian parent relatable to a period before 25/03/1971. Dissatisfied with the said opinion dated 31/08/2023 noted above. The petitioner filed this writ petition on 05/01/2024. Before we proceed further, we propose to peruse the relevant records in original pertaining to BFT case number 2247 of 2015, wherein the learned member for national party in of Indian petition declaring the petition. On the next date fixed, Mr. G. Sharma, on the date fixed, the member for tribunal number 2, Kamru Pitpoko, through Mr. G. Sharma standing records in the rebel pertaining to BFT case number 247. If in the meanwhile, petitioner has not been taken into custody, person to decide opinion dated 31/08/2023, she shall not be taken into custody and shall not be subject to the past February. Record on 15th of February. Copy of the surgeons.
Obliged, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Receipt.
My lord, this is an expiry order, my lord. What happened in this case, my lord, person and started in 2007. After receipt of my lord, notice, my lord, she appeared before the advocate of my lord, the court, my lord, and handed over all documents and documents to take necessary steps. Therefore, she was not getting any information, my lord, and learned tribunal passed the expiry order, my lord, 10/3/2009. And therefore, my lord, no information, nothing, and lying, my lord. And lastly, my lord, on 30/10/2023, she has been arrested by police, my lord. Now, my lord, she is in custody in my lord, Golpara jail, temporary jail. Okaratma was held, my lord, from jail. Therefore, my lord, she has forgotten the name of the even advocate and also my lord, identity. Family members, my lord, went to visit the advocate but could not, my lord, contact with him, my lord. Even by name and also by identity. So, my lord, the fact. Now she is in custody, my lord. My prayer to Lordship, if my lord bail is granted and my lord allowed him to contest the matter, then otherwise, my lord.
See, Mr. Receipt.
And moreover, my lord, the person is poor also, but if your lordship will pay some cost, maybe imposed on her.
This is from Borbeta,
But better.
Mr. Sharma.
This was tried by the Planet Tribunal of Borpata, my lord, but after my lord, the separation of district, my lord,
On
now
first
she is in
of
back.
February. Get the record. Placed on 01/02/2023. And say the Furnace Tribunal, Capital Roman.
Can it be second, my lord, 2nd of February 24,
It's a Friday,
Friday. Thursday, my lord, I have another item, my lord, in court below.
then sixth,
My lord, yes, my lord.
6th of February.
24.
11 reports in original pertaining to
Previous number.
FT within bracket second tribunal. Bracket close case number 201/2007. It was disposed of by an ex parte order dated 10/03/2009 from the office of the Foreigners Tribunal number 2, Capital Roman, Borbeta. Copy of this order be furnished to Mr. G. Sharma. Illegally. List of for necessary use, enabling him to place the relevant records as directed.
May I pray one thing, my lord, your lordship, upgrade on matter, my lord, item 35. My lord, it's in this case, my lord, below is there. Your lordship, we need to take it now or serial number?
35.
35. I file a my lord. This is a bail order granted by your lordship, but I could not execute the same on the, actually it was my lord, wrong from my side, my lord. I could not inform the client, my lord, in time. Subsequently, he came with an advocate, my lord, court from the lower court, and found that the order passed long back. But I could not, my lord. So that is the, my lord, to allow to, my lord, execute the order. If your lordship, my lord, kindly allow, my lord.
Any objection, Petty Council, if we take up 35, item 35 now of Mr. Rashid? No. 35.
I am, my lord. And it's- Whatever it is totally, my lord, on my blame on me, my lord. I could not inform him. And all
Dissatisfied with the dissatisfied with the opinion dated 19/05/2022 passed by learned member Foreigners Tribunal number 2, Bongaigaon, Abhayapuri, fasting. FT case number BNTN oblique FT dash 2 oblique APR oblique 2120 oblique 08, whereby he has been declared to be a foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1946. The applicant as petitioner preferred the connected writ petition being WPC number 3393 oblique 2023, wherein coordinated bench of this court earlier on 14/06/2023 while receiving notice to the respondents in the interim directed the present applicant slash petitioner to appear before the Superintendent of Police Border Bongaigaon within 15 days from the date of the said order dated 14/06/2023, granting him bail in the said matter. Mr. Rasid, learned counsel appearing for the applicant petitioner submitted that inadvertently the information of the said order dated 14/06/2023 passed in the connected WPC number 3393/2023 could not be communicated to the applicant petitioner in time, and as such, the applicant petitioner during 14 days from 14/06/2023 could not appear before the Superintendent of Police Border Bongaigaon. However, the applicant, after obtaining the certified copy, to appear before the Superintendent of Police Border Bongaigaon as directed in the said order dated 14/06/2023. But the 14 days period was already elapsed. And as such, the bail order granted by the court on 14/06/2023 could not be applicable. Hence, this application by the said petitioner of WPC number 3393/2023 seeking the extension of period of said 14 days as passed in the order to the 14/06/2023 in WPC number 3393/2023 for execution of the relevant bail order. Considering the submission of learned counsel for the applicant's class petitioner and the learned counsel for the respondents, opposite parties of the respondents here. We direct the petitioner to appear before the Superintendent of Police Border Bongaigaon on or before February 2nd. First, to execute the order dated 14/06/2023. Passed in WPC number 3393 of the and the same period of 14 days, 1/4 approved in bracket 50. Specified in the order dated 14/06/2023 in WPC number 3393 of 2023 has now been extended up to 02/2024 for necessary compliance of the applicant. This order shall be read together to the order dated 14/06/2023. Passed in WPC number 3393 of 2023. For his appearance before the Supreme Court order. In terms of the order dated 14/06/2023. Shall be read together with attendance committee. The above observation and directive. This interlocutory application stands is to the extent allowed to the extent above. And according to stands this WPC Twitter. Pursuant to the order dated 14/06/2023. The registry has already received the relevant records of the concerned finance tribe. Place this matter for necessary consideration at admission stage on 8th of February. And on the same day, the petitioner shall apprise the court as to when he appeared before the Superior Police Board of Goalpara.
Masu.
May it please your lord. My lord, hearing this case, my lord, the petition has been declared foreigner by impugned order at page 51, annexure 20. My lord, the petitioner has a land document of his own name, annexure 4, page 43. My lord, father expired before 1965, and they were staying on an annual patta land, and they got mutation. The two brothers, Afazuddin elder brother and Ahadullah Pramanik, the proceeding, my lord. And this document has been disbelieved, my lord. Annexure 4, page 43. The vernacular copy is at page 44. So, my lord, fact is that, my lord, mother was, after death of father, married his elder paternal uncle. That is another, my lord, fact, my lord. And mother's name is appearing with the paternal uncle in 66. Then, my lord, 70 also. My lord, his name appearing in 85 brutally. Along with brother and then mother at page 52. 51 and 52. So, no, all these documents are disbelieved, and the Lakmandal was examined, my lord, on behalf of the circle officer. He has stated before the court the land was originally annual patta, then their name was mutated. Converted into paid patta, and then their name is recorded, my lord.
Pardon, Mr. Ayers, Secret Counsel appearing to the petition. And ma'am, Mr. B. Sharma, Planet CGC, protects number 1. Mr. G. Sharma, standing counsel, also heard Mr. G. Sharma, standing counsel from department, Assam, for correspondent number 2 and 4. Mr. P. Sharma, additional senior government, Assam, for correspondent number 3. And Mr. H. Kuli, right? Standing counsel for correspondent number. Reference being made by the vendor police border. FT case number, by reference FT case number 0705. Okay. No, like reference. The landed member for table number 1 Golfer. In FT case number 8479, oblique G, oblique 16. After hearing the petitioner and considering the evidence deduced by him, and on hearing other parties by the impugn opinion dated 19/20/2023, declared the petitioner to be a foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1946, who had entered into territory of India within Bracket Assam on or after 25/03/1970. This satisfied the said opinion of 1920. Filed this petition on 12/01/2024. Notice available, all for the records. Appear before Superintendent of Police Border, Golpara, on or before 50.
May I please, Your Lordship. Lordship, in this case, petitioner declared foreigner, Lordship. Opinion is page number 47, Lordship. 11 parties, page 49. Means fact is the notice was issued in the nickname of his father, Lordship. But he has submitted all the another name before the tribunal, Lordship. Notice was issued in the name of Abrumia. He has submitted all the document in the name of Ibrahim Ali. This is the main fact, Lordship. Paragraph 49, second para. Fact is there, Lordship. Whose brutal list he has produced before the tribunal, Lordship, in his father's name, Ibrahim Ali.
Mr. Sharma,
Lordship.
here is a petition here, what we have seen. The name of the proceeding was same. But the reference was made in the name of one Faizur Rahman Borbia,
Yes.
son of late Abrubia Borbia. Same residence, same thing.
Same everything. Same.
But the petitioner herein,
Mm.
who received the notice, appeared before the tribunal
Mm.
and projected himself as Faizur Rahman Borbia
Mm.
and as son of Ibrahim Ali Borbia.
Yes.
The tribunal proceeded that the proceeding failed to place any document to prove his linkage as Faizur Rahman Borbia, son of Abrubia Borbia,
Yes.
and then passed the
Mm.
impugn opinion,
Yes. Lordship.
holding that the tribunal at that stage cannot change the reference.
Mm.
Right?
Yeah.
What do you have to say? As of now, we are not saying anything whether the petitioner or the proceeding concerned failed or able to prove his linkage with, because he did not produce any document as son of Abru
Yes.
Mia Borbia. But he projected himself to be the son of
Ibrahim Ali Borbia.
Ibrahim Ali. What do you have to say?
No. This inquiry was done by Lordship, LVU Lordship.
Right.
This,
Right.
in this case, Lordship, police did not conduct inquiry, Lordship.
So,
Lordship, before he, LVU Lordship one, he had submitted Lordship. That was placed before the tribunal, Lordship.
In this regard, Lordship, petitioner also submitted an affidavit on oath, Lordship, that his father name is Abrumia Borbuya and Ibrahim Ali Borbuya is same and one person, which is I have also annexed in this
Yes, will not
proceeding,
be Lordship.
that issue is also not. Abrumia Borbuya is a nickname, Lordship. And main fact is that I have stated in paragraph 3 and 4, Lordship, his mother was died after his born, Lordship, their father entered into a second marriage and they left to their grandfather house, Lordship. He has later on married a girl, Lordship, who as a Gorjamai, he is residing here, Lordship. The address also differing some document.
Lordship, page 22, Lordship. Lordship, page 22 will kindly see, Lordship. Voter list of 2016, Lordship.
2016. In this voter list, Lordship, he is marked as a D, Lordship, so he could not find a certificate.
Here,
copy of
father's
the
name is
same.
same. That's why he was referred to tribunal, Lordship.
Page 20 also, Lordship, 2009 voter list, Lordship. As a mark as a D, Lordship, so he could not get any certified copy of the same, Lordship. This is a voter list 2009 and 2016. His name is same, address is same, his wife is name also same in the all the documents, Lordship. Just father's name is Abrumia Borbuya and Ibrahim Ali Borbuya. Abrumia is a nickname, Lordship. Somewhere entered as in some documents entered nickname of his father, Lordship.
As per affidavit, Lordship, he is aged about 53 years, Lordship. But there is no voter list, Lordship, since the year 1999, Lordship, where petitioner is eligible to cast vote in the year of 1999, Lordship. If you consider the age of the petitioner as per affidavit, Lordship. Before 2016, Lordship, there is no voter list regarding the petitioner. Page 20 also, Lordship, which would among 2009 voter list. After 1966,
Mr.
there is-
Executive Council appearing for the petition. B Sharma, CGC 1. It's fully Standing Council Election Coordinator 2. Z Sharma, Standing Council Home Department Assam 3. It's 7. Pete Sharma. Additional China 6. Being referred by the police reporter. That's it. Learned member of Fitness Tribunal 56. ISBT Ramnagar. That's it. In Silsor FT5 within bracket D bracket close case number 127 2016. After hearing the petitioner and the evidence adduced by him as well as hearing the other parties by the impugned opinion dated 03/05/2023 declared the petitioner to be a foreigner under the Appellants Act 1946 of post 1971 strip. Just said despite with the said opinion dated 03/05/2023. The petitioner has filed this petition on 12/01/2024. We are of review that the respondent number 5, foreigners tribunal number 5, Kachar Silsar, who passed the impugned opinion dated 03/05/2023, is not a necessary party for proper identification of this. According to name of the respondent number 5 be deleted from the cost act. Registration accordingly to that. And respondent number 6 and 7, present respondent number 6 and 7 be numbered as respondent number 5 and 6. Notice returnable by equips. All for the records of reference number 6 or FT50 case number. Steps by the within 2 days. Steps on the respondent number 4 by register positive on a 24. APR before foreigners tribunal. Sorry, to when the police border Kachar Silsar on or before. Leave this matter for admission. Receipt of the relevant records. Yes, Mr. Long.
My lord, may kindly see the improved order. That is page 41, my lord. It is expiry order. I have not a good case because I received the notice from the landed tribunal. I have also appeared, but thereafter I remained absent due to illness. So that I have explained in page 6, para 5. Even then, my lord, there is some laches on the part of the petitioner, but I have a good case on merit. Otherwise, because I have my father's name appears in the voter list of 1965.
Mr. Sharma. Lordship. Produce this record.
Yes.
After thereafter we'll consider. This is from Tamulpur.
Baksa.
Baksa. So there won't be any problem. Tell us by which date.
In this time only required lordship.
7th.
Yes.
This petition,
Till then, some protection, my lord.
wait till then. Until it will happen. Or can you bring in next week, Mr. Sharma?
Sir, Lord.
Next week again, we have again 4 days. That is the difficulty. Fifth, you can place it on fifth.
Yes.
Monday. That will
Lord,
be better. Place this matter on 05/02/2024, enabling the Foreigners Tribunal, Baksa, Tamulpur. The concerned Foreigners Tribunal, who by ex parte order dated 22/11/2023 passed in FT case number 21/Baksa/2026, declared the petitioner to be a foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1943. Foreigner and an illegal migrant. Of course, 1970. Such record shall be placed by the Foreigners Tribunal, Baksa, Tamulpur, to Mr. G. Sharma, Standing Counsel, Home Department. Assam. Copy of this order be furnished to Mr. G. Sharma during the course of it.
My lord, I have another prayer. Item 27 may kindly be taken in another item. Item
one?
27, today's list. Hello, Abhilash.
After Miss Betala, please take your seat for a while.
Lordship, I need 1 day time because there is some clarification I want to go through once and then Lordship. Let this matter maybe come up tomorrow or on 24th, Lordship. Because urgency is also there in this case because the person is in detention.
25th.
24th. Much obliged. Much.
Priority.
May I please draw? CR for having CR is already in the record one.
Will you be able to argument or argue, or will ask your daughter to submit first, then you make your argument? It's up to you. Considering your health.
Hearing may be fixed.
No hearing, we have the LC or dispose it of. Ask her to place first, then you make your necessary. We'll ask her to read certain documents and then you make your submissions.
An exhibit has not been discussed. An exhibit has not been. No, school certificate.
May I please?
Just take your.
Unless he will also contradict. Record will discuss for So, you know, okay. We are full of the battery document. Full certificate, micron amount, all of things. Family member, मैं है नहीं, for a long so kind of leave one legally to legally.
एक नंबर वकील एक नंबर নয়া আমার বাপের নাম কি আছে?
নবীন।
হ্যাঁ?
নবীন, নবীন।
তার প্রথম নাম উঠে 21 ইয়ার ঠিক আছে এতিয়া কি ভোটার করেছে তার ফ্যামিলি তার ফাদার কারণ আমার বিপরীত যদি মাদার প্রথম দাদার নাম কৈছে না
Grandfather.
Yes, kindly read the written statement of the petitioner, page 43.
May I please your lordship? Should I read from the start?
Read it from para 7.
Para 7, that the respondent was born and brought up at village Ambari Forest Village, PS Murajhar district, Nagaon, Assam, where at present residing. Paragraph 8, that the father's name of the respondent has been recorded in the voter list of 1966 of 93 Hujai LAC Y serial number 138, house number 48, part number 92 as Narayan Namasudra. Paragraph 9, that the mother's name of the respondent has been recorded in the voter list of 1971 of 93 Hujai LAC Y serial number 212, house number 48, part number 92 as Urmila, wife of Narayan.
Yes, please.
Paragraph 10, that the name of the respondent has been recorded in the voter list of 1997 of 90 Jamunamukh LAC Y serial number 429, house number 131, part number 60 as Narasingha, son of Narayan. Paragraph 11, that the mother's name of the respondent has been recorded in the voter list of 2010 of 90 Jamunamukh LAC Y serial number 627, house number 153, part number 104 as Urmila Namasudra, wife of Nayaram Namasudra. Paragraph 12, that the other's name of the respondent has been recorded in the voter list of 2010 of 90 Jamunamukh LAC by serial number 632, house number 153, part number 104 as Narasingha, son of Nayaram, but the respondent's name was marked as decategorized. Paragraph 13, that father of the respondent Nayaram is having landed property in his name at Kachar district.
Paragraph 14, that the Gaonpura of Ambari Forest Village has issued a certificate in favor of the respondent. 15, that the respondent will file written statement if required. 16, that the respondent claimed that she is a bona fide citizen of India by birth, having sufficient documents in support of her Indian nationality, and he is not foreigner. Under the above circumstances and ground, it is therefore prayed that your honor would be pleased to exempt from the purview of the proceeding and thereby prayed to declare the respondent is a citizen of India and he is not a foreigner, and for this act of your kindness, the respondent shall ever pray to you.
Council of the petitioner made some mistake. Narayan de Nayaram Hole. Open. Hotel list of Nayaram.
Lordship, so Narayan Ram and Nayaram are one and the same person, your lordship.
Wherefrom you are saying that? Wherefrom you are saying that? Anyway, Mr. Atia will explain to that. Now please come to page number 21. Can you read the vernacular? Can you read vernacular?
21.
Yes,
Uh,
yes, your lordship.
Page number 20.
Yes, your lordship.
Shown as Narayan Namasudra,
Yes, your lordship. Son of Nabin.
son of Naveen, voter list of 1966, whom you have projected as your father.
Father.
Now, come to page number 22. This is your projected mother.
Yes, your lordship.
This is Urmila,
Wife of Nayaram.
wherefrom you are saying wife of Nayaram.
Page 23, lordship.
Uh,
Nayaram.
But it's not written as Swami. It is written as Pita.
Yeah, yes, sir.
So she is the daughter of Nayaram.
Lordship, there might be some mistake, your lordship.
That mistake, since this is the certified copy of the voter list and evidence adduced by the proceeding, we have to consider it as a whole.
Lordship, again in page number 29,
Listen,
voter list of 1993, it
listen.
has been,
age is 27.
yes, your lordship.
Why name of this Urmila did not reflect in the voter list of 1970 is 1966?
1966,
If she is 27 in the year 1970, she was eligible to vote at the age of 21, right?
the mother's certified copy was not taken for year 1966, your lordship.
That is the reason we cannot do anything here. It is the documents that was relied by the proceeding have only to be taken into consideration. Here, projected mother Urmila, aged 27, has been shown to be the daughter of Oyan Nayaram, not as the wife of Narayan Namasudra. Anyway, now, page 24 is not the, though it's a voter list, it's not a certified copy.
Yes, your lordship.
So it will be out of consideration. Then what are the other documents that you have adduced as an evidence?
Land documents of the petitioner's father,
Land document of petitioner's father,
Page 26.
page 26. This is of which village?
Kachar district, Your Lordship.
Kachar district.
Yes, Your Lordship. The father of the petitioner was originally from Kachar.
What is his name?
Nabin Namasutra, Your Lordship.
Noya number 11.
And the father's name is also there in the Jamabandi.
Hmm. As
As 11 Noya, son of Nubin.
not Naveen Namasundra, it is Naveen Namasut,
Yes, Your Lordship.
right?
Yes, Your Lordship.
And the name one at serial number 10,
It's Noyan Namasutra.
Noyan.
Noyan was the petitioner's father's brother, the petitioner's uncle.
Then who is this Noyaram in the voter list of 1970?
Noyaram is his father, Your Lordship.
You are saying will not do. Then who is this Noyaram?
Noyaram and Narayan Ram are said to be one and the same person, Your Lordship.
Where from you are saying it? That land document that you are saying,
Yes, Your Lordship.
name of one Noyan is there. Narayan, Noyaram, Noyan cannot be the same person. The remaining voter lists are subsequent to 1970 or 71. So, as you know, cannot be taken into consideration.
Lordship, in page 41, there is a school certificate of the petitioner, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
It was exhibit 9, but it has not been considered and recorded in the
Whether the person
impugnation.
concerned who have issued this certificate. Now see the page 41. First of all, it is have the national emblem.
Yes, Your Lordship.
When did you complete your schooling?
87, Your Lordship.
1987.
Yes, sir.
And when you have obtained this certificate,
2005.
so that itself reflects something else. Now, whether this headmaster adduced evidence
No, Your Lordship.
and proved this document,
No, Your Lordship.
so we cannot accept this exhibit 9.
Lordship, the brother and mother of the petitioner also
Right.
depose in his
Anyone can
favor.
appear before somebody, but it has to be proved through documents only. Mere making statement won't do. Now, where you have mentioned in your written statement about your brother, did you mention in your written statement?
No, Your Lordship.
So how do you know that we have a brother? You have a brother.
One exhibit had been made during the proceeding of the case, Your Lordship. Opposite party deposed about his mother and brother.
Hmm.
And then later they came to give deposition.
No, they have adduced their evidence as
Yes, Your Lordship.
brother and mother.
Yes, your lordship.
Now, you did not mention in your written statement about having any brother or sisters. So cannot be taken into in evidence. Now, regarding mother,
Lordship.
your projected mother
Yes, your lordship.
itself is very clear. If in the voter list of 1966, name of the father has been shown as Narayan Namasutra, son of Naveen. Similarly, in the voter list of 1970, some Urmila, daughter of Nayaram, has been shown. Right.
Yes, your lordship.
Now, you have not mentioned in your written statement as to when your projected father expired. Because as you have seen that in such matters relating to foreigner or citizenship, the evidence have to be adduced by the proceeding and it has to be proved as provided in the section 9 of the Foreigners Act. That means what? There has to be proved some linkage.
Yes, your lordship.
Which document shows that you are the son of Urmila? Which document?
92. In a voter list of 1997, page 31.
Yes.
The name of the
That's not a
petitioner.
certified copy.
Yes, your lordship.
So,
In the voter list of 2005, your lordship, my wife's name has reflected with the names of my entire family, your lordship. But
will you able to tell us why your name did not figure in the voter list of 1989
there was D
or
against his
after
name, your
1989?
lordship. There was D against his name, your lordship.
See, D was, according to you, was incorporated in the which voter list?
97. your lordship.
97. And we were already eligible to vote in the year 1994.
97, I turned 21, your lordship.
Doesn't matter. Since 1989, voting age is 18 years. Prior to 1989, it was 21 years. So your name should have been there somewhere in the 1994-95. What happened? If you are considering that your age was 21 in the year 1997,
Yes, your lordship.
that means your birth year was 1976.
Yes, your lordship.
But name of your father did not figure in the voter list of 1970, 71 or thereafter in 75 to show that your father was alive at that point of time.
Yes, your lordship.
So Because after 1966, there is no voter list to show that your father was alive. Your projected father. That's all.
Father name was there, but certificate copy has not taken.
Lordship, the certified copies have not been taken, but the
Mhm.
father's name was there. But the certified copies are not available, Your Lordship.
Certified copy
Of the father's name in the
In which
voters
voter
list
list?
of. Lordship?
Which voter list?
It's not there, Your Lordship.
76,
So
27.
that means what?
Yeah.
And that particular voter list of 1970 is showing one Urmila as a daughter of Noyaram,
Yes, Your Lordship.
not as a wife of Narayan Namasutra.
And Namo actually in the certificate copy to one I full. Some information, voter name of the father was there in the voter list up to 1982.
Even in the voter list of 1971, though it is not a certified copy,
Yes, Your
it is
Lordship.
clearly shown as the father Noyaram.
Wrongly.
Page number 25, serial number 212, house number 48. Very clear.
He-
Official exercise म्हणजे official exercise हा त्याची फिल्म planet member also details and
Lordship, till 1971, Urmila's father was reflected as Noyaram, but then from the voters list of 1993, after it was rectified, Noyaram was reflected as the husband.
70, 71 shows father.
Yes, Your Lordship, but later it was rectified, Your Lordship.
Where is that?
In voters list of 1993,
Hmm.
it has been written as Urmila Namasutra, wife of Noyaram
That
Namasutra.
is a translated copy or certified copy?
Not a certified copy, Your Lordship.
It's
but
not a certified copy.
There is a certified copy, Your Lordship. Voters list of 2005, page 33.
Those are of subsequent to 1971, right?
Yes, The voter ID of Urmila Namasudra is at page 18. Where it shows that she is the wife of late Nayaram Namasudra.
Yes, Mr. Atia. Please make your submission.
First of all, my lord, the name shown in voter list 1966, the father, Narayan, is a mistake, my lord. And my lord, hereafter they rectified. As per my instruction, my lord, Narayan name was listed in the voter list thereafter up to 1987. 87 he died, my lord. My lord,
Mr. Atia might have died, but thing is in the written statement, the procedure is absolutely silent.
yes, my lord. My lord, can we see the deposition of the brother Vishnu Jyoti Namasudra? And Vishnu, Moor Nam Vishnu Jyoti Namasudra Boyo.
First of all, in the written statement, there is no existence of.
Yes,
Vishnu
my
Jyoti.
lord, there is some mistake on part of the counsel of the petitioner, my lord.
Difficulty at this stage, we cannot consider all those aspects. We cannot explain. In
My lord,
exercise
can
of
we
the-
see the human error, how it
No.
made, my lord?
Yes,
The learned
Yes.
tribunal also made some mistake in the name, my lord. Then
Come to page 45,
45, yes, my lord.
para 15.
15, the respondent will file affidavit,
Additional written statement.
additional written
Was
statement
there
if
any-
required,
Was
if
there any
required,
additional written statement?
if required.
Requirements to show that existence of your brother,
Yes,
sister, whatever in the family.
yes, my lord.
The law is well settled.
My
In the
lord,
case of-
in the deposition, he made,
See, deposition.
in the
is something-
deposition, my lord, he stated
not-
that he has,
Mr. Atia,
he has 6 brothers and sisters.
Mr. Atia, you can go on adding. That is your, as you know very well, that whatever you have to prove with the confined to the written statement.
Oh.
By filing an evidence in affidavit, whatever you like to say, you may like to say, but that cannot be accepted as an piece
My
of
lord,
evidence.
they are the illiterate person, my lord, poor person, my lord.
Mr.
On the part of the counsel of the petitioner made the
Will-
mistake.
see, the entire knowledge is only with the proceeding, not even the lawyer. Whatever the proceeding says before the lawyer, that will be placed before in the written statement.
My lord,
How the
can-
president,
Can
the
you
lawyer
see
will-
their statement, written statement and their deposition
Sir,
before the learned tribunal, my lord.
As per Mr. Atia, difficulty is like this. We are here in certiorari. And we cannot accept or reject anything what is beyond available in the records. And records needs to be proved. When there is no statement on behalf of the proceeding in his written statement about the brothers and sisters, anyone can appear on his behalf, saying that I am the brother, I am the father. There is no mention why the name of the proceedings projected father was not available in the voter list after 1966. So assuming it was not there, right?
My lord,
So at this stage, we cannot go beyond the records, whatever is available. We cannot direct the tribunal to reconsider all these materials which are not proved
my lord,
by the proceeding. Only we can look. That is the reason we are asking you.
can we see, my lord, the learned tribunal, my lord, also made some mistake in the name, my lord. As my lord, it was mistake in the voter list, my lord. This is a human error, my lord.
Those mistakes also we have to overlook in terms of the judgment of the apex court recently passed in August 2023. That is the reason we are constantly asking all these lawyers to read both sides, not only from the side of the prosecutor. Because it is, after all, you are all our court officers. You have to give us a handle to consider such matters, right? So tell us, first of all, it is one Narayan Sharma, according to you, a voter list, right? And only in the 1960s, there is nothing, no existence between the petitioner and the Narayan Sharma, Narayan Namasudra.
In this petition, my lord, the brother of the petitioner,
First of all, whatever he might have said, he must have to show something, documents that he is the brother. This voter list of after 1971,
my lord, can we see page 15, my lord?
15.
15, my lord.
Very good.
Vishnujuti Namasudra,
That's
my
an
lord.
affidavit.
Is the
Affidavit will
affidavit,
not
my
help
lord.
you.
He mentioned all his brother and
As you
sister's
know,
name.
affidavit is not thing not to be considered as per the evidence. Self-declared. It's not a piece of evidence. Then,
Some mistake is there, my lord, on the
so
part of
we have
the
to see.
petitioner, also in the part of the counsel of the petitioner, my lord. And the poor person, my lord, illiterate
Understood.
person,
We
my
are
lord.
not saying, we are not
They,
considering whether
they never face such type of proceeding before their, in their life, my lord.
we know.
And suddenly
We have the
they,
experience.
suddenly they receive a notice and went to the council and council as per all the brother and sisters and his mother is alive and they are Indian citizen, but how he might not become foreigners.
Where is his brothers and sisters? It's not there in the written statement.
Voter list reveals that the same.
That voter list of 2010, right?
2000. My lord, if my lord provide some time, my lord, I obtain certified copy of the father of the petitioner, my lord, after 1966, my lord, till his death, my lord.
That things now cannot be there. Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Lordship.
Genuine Indian citizen, my lord, provide some time, my lord.
Whatever is before us,
Produce
only
some
we consider, we cannot go
additional
beyond that,
affidavit,
Mr.
my lord, with records, my lord.
We cannot allow you to develop this case at this stage, Mr. Rathia, as per the law. Otherwise, there has been other cases we would have
Right.
considered.
The
Not
foreigner
on the
issue, my lord, he being the Indian citizen, my lord, suddenly, my lord, if lordship allow him, he will be. Only some discrepancies in the name, my lord. Otherwise, everything is not, my lord. Provided
What is the
the
name of your grandfather?
grandfather's name is Nayan.
Grandfather,
Nobin, my lord.
Nobin,
Nobin.
in the affidavit, in the evidence in affidavit. During cross,
My lord.
Pokar Nam Rito Anandaram,
Anandaram is my mother's father.
nothing like that.
Yes,
Mar Nam Urmila Namohudra, Pokar Nam Rito Anandaram.
my lord, the Bengali person, my lord, Koka, some mistake is there, my lord. He cannot understand things, my lord. Anandaram is clearly stated. Anandaram is a maternal father of his mother, my lord. If lordship allow, my lord,
Question of allowing is not there.
He,
Mr. Rathia,
my lord,
all
can
the
we see
materials
the
are-
NRC document.
Huh? No, linkage, just linkage. Michael Bapatonam, Michael Bapatonam to only to show that the Anandaram is the father of his mother, my lord. Only is the linkage, my lord, only.
Those things cannot be accepted.
No, yes, no, only to see, my lord, whether the Anandaram is his father's father or not, my lord.
NRC document not yet final, Mr.
My lord, is not for evidence, my lord, only to show that his Anandaram is his mother's father. are original from Saidpur, Kachar, my lord. They migrated to the forest village in the district of Hojai, my lord, in the year of 1954, my lord. And some allotment that is there, my lord, but not shown in as evidence, my lord. Allotment taking it is forest. It is that is- that is not normal, right? Whole of them. Material.
Anything else?
Malinga land document, my lord, Jamabandi, my lord. The father name shown 11, serial number 11, Nawaram, Noya, Pita Nobin. We clearly stated, my lord, Noyaram, Namasudra, Pita Nobin. The land document, the Sayadpur Ditya Khanda, Jakasa.
No, yeah.
No, no, yeah. And mother name was also there in the land document, my lord, along with the father, my lord, and other family members.
কিমান ফোনটো কিমান লিখো
Together, 2011.
নহয় নহয় এইটো
25. in the voter list of 1916, my lord, the petitioner name again appeared, my lord, along with the other family member of the petitioner, my lord. Kindly see page 38, sorry, page 37, my lord, type copy, my lord. 697. Narasingha Namasudra. But inserted D against his name, my lord.
Okay, Mr. Okay, I will come back to you. Mr. Sharma,
Lordship.
Bro. Read the cross. First of all, look the age. Look at the age mentioned in the evidence in affidavit. Turn the page. 58 years.
Yes, Lordship.
Born in 2017.
Yes, Lordship.
Now read the cross.
মোৰ নাম নৰসিংহ নমশূদ্ৰ, বয়স 55 বছৰ, দেউতাৰ নাম মৃত নয়াৰাম নমশূদ্ৰ, মোৰ মাৰ নাম উৰ্মিলা নমশূদ্ৰ, ককাৰ নাম মৃত আনন্দৰাম, আইতাৰ নাম মই নাজানো, কাকো মই দেখা নাই, মোৰ মোৰ দেউতাৰ চৈয়দপুৰত কোঠা ভাড়া থাকোতে আমি
Okay, do one thing. You go through the evidence of DW1, that is the proceeding related to brother and mother, and till us at 2 o'clock.
Lordship.
Go to the records. Then tell us.
I verified the report.
Definitely, you can verify the record in his presence. There is no issue. Both of you go through the record.
Now,
Just a minute. সেইকাৰণে মই নাজানো Yes, please read.
Yes, Lordship. Up to some extent, Lordship, I have gone through Lordship, and it is not so easy
Some
to
are
read
difficult
Lordship.
to
Yes,
identify
Lordship.
the word, yes.
মোৰ নাম নৰসিংহ নমশূদ্ৰ, বয়স 45 বছৰ, দেউতাৰ নাম মৃত নয়াৰাম নমশূদ্ৰ, মাৰ নাম উৰ্মিলা নমশূদ্ৰ, ককাৰ নাম মৃত আনন্দৰাম, আইতাৰ নাম নাজানো, কাকো মই দেখা নাই, this one
দেউতা চৈতপুৰৰ পৰা something like that.
সৈয়দপুৰৰ yes Lordship কাঠগড়াত থানাৰ অন্তৰ্গত দেউতাৰ জন্ম সৈয়দপুৰত আমাৰ জন্ম কৰিমগঞ্জত দেউতাৰ সৈয়দপুৰৰ পৰা আমবাৰী মুৰাজাৰ কেতিয়া আহিছিল মই নাজানো সৈয়দপুৰৰ পৰা আমবাৰীলৈ কেতিয়া আহিছিল মই নাজানো 35 বছৰ আগতে দেউতাৰ মৃত্যু হয় আমবাৰীত মোৰ মা মাৰ বয়স 65 বছৰ মোৰ জন্ম মুৰাজাৰ আমবাৰীত মুৰাজাৰ
something like that.
মুৰাজাৰৰ একে জাগাতে আছো আমবাৰী ফৰেষ্ট
something.
I could not read. আমবাৰী ফৰেষ্টৰ মাটিত আমি থাকো yes Lordship যেতিয়া
Projection.
কেতিয়া মই something নাজানো Lordship কিন্তু তৃতীয় শ্ৰেণীলৈ yes
The document hasn't been proved.
yes Lordship
So come to the mother now. DW3, because DW2 name is not there.
yes
And but one interesting thing is this: if you read the DW2, look at his age.
Vishnujyoti
50 years. Whereas this
49 years
49 years.
yes
And in his cross, he said, more bhai, not more dadai or kokai. Just read.
মোৰ নাম বিষ্ণুজ্যোতি নমশূদ্ৰ বয়স 49 বছৰ মোৰ দেউতাৰ নাম মৃত নয়াৰাম নমশূদ্ৰ মাৰ নাম উৰ্মিলা নমশূদ্ৰ মই আজি ভাইৰ হৈ ভাইৰ পক্ষত হোৱা বিদেশী গোচৰত মই সাক্ষী দিবলৈ আহিছো নৰসিংহ নমশূদ্ৰ মোৰ মোৰ নিজৰ ভাই একে পিতৃ মাতৃৰ সন্তান মোৰ দেউতা কাছাৰ জিলাৰ কাটিগড়াৰ থানাৰ চৈয়দপুৰ গাঁৱত দেউতাৰ মৃত্যু 1978 চনত আমবাৰী ফৰেষ্ট গাঁৱত হয় মুৰাজাৰ থানাৰ অন্তৰ্গত 1954 চনত ফৰেষ্ট মাটিত এলটমেণ্ট পোৱাত কাছাৰৰ পৰা উক্ত স্থানত আহো নমশূদ্ৰ নৰসিংহ আমাৰ নমশূদ্ৰৰ নৰসিংহ হ'ল আমবাৰীত জন্ম নৰসিংহৰ নমশূদ্ৰ নৰসিংহ জন্ম আমবাৰীত তলত আমাৰ সকলোৰে জন্ম উক্ত স্থানত নৰসিংহৰ ভাই ককাই ক্ৰমে বিষ্ণুজ্যোতি কৃষ্ণ নমশূদ্ৰ বিশ্বজ্যোতি নৰসিংহ Number 5 is not legible Lordship. Then Ria Namasudra. আমি সকলো একে জায়গাতে থাকো মা মোৰ লগত থাকে নৰসিংহ স্কুলত দ্বিতীয় শ্ৰেণীলৈ পঢ়িছিল তেওঁৰ আমবাৰীৰ This pen is not এইটো তেওঁ আমবাৰী এইটো কি লিখিলে নৰসিংহ কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ
It appears that he doesn't stay with them now,
Yes, Lordship.
which is the petitioner did not mention
Yes,
in his written statement.
yes, Lordship.
Mother statement, just cross.
মোৰ নাম উৰ্মিলা নমশূদ্ৰ মোৰ বয়স 70 বছৰ মোৰ স্বামীৰ নাম মৃত নাৰায়ণ নমশূদ্ৰ নয়ৰাম নমশূদ্ৰ স্বামীৰ মৃত্যুৰ 40 বছৰ হয় বৰ্তমান মই মুৰাজাৰ আৰু থানাৰ অন্তৰ্গত আমবাৰীত থাকো মই আজি নৰসিংহ নমশূদ্ৰৰ হৈ ষ্টেটমেন্ট সাক্ষী দিব আহিছো প্ৰতিপক্ষ নৰসিংহ নমশূদ্ৰ মোৰ সৰু ডাঙৰ ল'ৰা
মোৰ ডাঙৰ ল'ৰা
ডাঙৰ
It's
ল'ৰা
not সৰু
Yes, Lordship. ডাঙৰ ল'ৰা মোৰ স্বামীৰ স্থায়ী ঠিকনা চৈয়দপুৰত থানাৰ অন্তৰ্গত চৈয়দপুৰত মোৰ ভাই আছিল
স্বামীৰ ভাই আছিল
নাম মনত নাই মোৰ স্বামীৰ ভাই আছিল নাম মনত নাই মোৰ ল'ৰা নমশূদ্ৰৰ
নাম
নাম
মুৰাজাৰ খান
মুৰাজাৰ থানাৰ আৰু আমবাৰীত নহয় নহয় এইটো কিবা বেলেগ
বেলেগ কিবা
মোৰ ল'ৰা নমশূদ্ৰৰ
LP স্কুলত পঢ়ে মুৰাজাৰ থানাৰ অন্তৰ্গত আমবাৰী
নমশূদ্ৰ LP স্কুলত পঢ়ে
পঢ়ে
নৰসিংহৰ
ভাই ককাই
ককাই ক্ৰমে
তিনিজন নেকি
তিনিজন বিশ্বজ্যোতি বিষ্ণুজ্যোতি নমশূদ্ৰ বিশ্বজিৎ নমশূদ্ৰ বিজয় নমশূদ্ৰ কৃষ্ণ নমশূদ্ৰ সুতাৰা নমশূদ্ৰ নৰসিংহ আমবাৰীতে থাকে
বাকী সকলো ভাই আমবাৰীত থাকে বেলেগে
বেলেগে বাকী সকলো ভাই আমবাৰীত থাকে বেলেগে
ছোৱালী বিয়া হৈ যায়
ছোৱালীৰ বিয়া হৈ যায় নৰসিংহৰ বিয়া কঠীয়াতলিৰ ৰত্না নমশূদ্ৰৰ লগত হয় নৰসিংহৰ ল'ৰা
ছটা নেকি লিখা something is like
ল'ৰা
ল'ৰা ছোৱালী মুঠ 6জন
6জন
বিয়াৰ 10 বছৰ
বিয়া 10 বছৰ নে 30 বছৰ 30 বছৰ হয় বিয়াৰ 30 বছৰ very difficult to read.
doesn't matter. The thing is this, the linkage, they are asking you to prove the linkage.
Yes, Lordship. Linkage otherwise not established, Lordship, in this case.
Tell us.
Because Lordship will kindly see 1966 footer list as Exhibit 1, petitioner exhibited as Exhibit 1, where his projected father's name appeared as Narayan Namasudra, aged about 50 years. And apart from this footer list, Lordship, petitioner could not able to place any of the footer list of his father, Lordship, to prove his continuity or to prove their residence, Lordship. And Lordship, in his evidence, Lordship, petitioner stated that his father died 35 years ago, Lordship. If we accept his statement, then his father sometimes died in the year 1982. So, apart from that, Lordship, 1966 voter list, there is no other voter list of his projected father, Lordship. And Lordship, then exhibited document, Lordship, then Exhibit 2 is in 1971 voter list, where his projected mother's name appeared as Urmila Namasudra. Although some voter lists are annexed in the repetition, Lordship, that voter lists are not exhibited and neither placed before the tribunal, Lordship. So, Lordship, here, Lordship, in 1997 voter list, 1971 voter list, Lordship, only mother's name appeared where he was shown as daughter of Noyaram Namasudra, not Narayan, Lordship.
Not Namasudra, only Noyaram.
Only Noyaram, Lordship, yes, Lordship. Only Noyaram. Then, Lordship, after that, Lordship, they exhibited, Lordship, Exhibit 1997 voter list. And after 1971, Lordship, although in his evidence,
1970, because 1971 is a photocopy. It's not a certified copy.
Yes, Lordship. 1970 also same as like that of
No, 70 is a
1970.
certified copy.
Yes,
The
Lordship.
exhibit 2, but 1971 is not the,
Certified copy.
not the certified.
Yes, Lordship. Then Lordship, what happened to his parents, Lordship, between in 1966 to 1971 to 1997, Lordship? That explanation is not there, Lordship.
To
1971 to 1997, Lordship. Then Lordship, petitioner's name first time appeared, Lordship, in the year of 1997, Lordship.
But
Where-
it's not a certified copy.
Yes, Lordship, this is not certified copy. Record reveals, although in record it was written as exhibited document, Lordship, 1997. Here, Lordship, village is different. Apart from Lordship, village is some Ambari Bongao. Earlier village is Lordship, Ambari Reserve Forest. And another village is also there, Lordship, Koniar Par Bongao. Yeah. Go and Tongia Bongao. So Lordship, here village is different. And after 1997, Lordship, and by using this portal list, petitioner could not able to place his linkage with Naram because 1966 portal list is the some Narayan Namasudra, Lordship. Narayan Namasudra Tanobin. And Lordship, then 2010 portal list reserved post 71 document, and by way of 2010-2005 portal list, Lordship, petitioner could not able to establish his link with his projected father, Lordship. Lordship, regarding that, Lordship, I want to place one judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, Lordship, this Bhanwaru Khan versus Union of India, where
Anwar Khan.
Bhanwaru Khan, 2002 4 SCC 346.
4 SCC?
4 SCC 346.
Hmm.
Yes, Lordship, where in para 15 it was stated that we agree with the High Court that a case for interference with the order of deportation is not made out. Long stay in the country or enrollment in the voter list would not confer any right on an alien to continue to stay in the country, Lordship. So, Lordship, in this case, Lordship, it was elaborately discussed that, Lordship, long stay in the country and enrollment in the naming in the voter list, Lordship, do not confer citizenship. Another case is regarding, Lordship, WPC 4512/2016. Same thing has been reiterated, Lordship, in WPC 4512/2016. Fakhruddin versus Union of Muhammad Fakhruddin versus Union of India. Where same thing has been reiterated, and that the law is well settled that just because name of a person is enlisted in the voter list, it would not mean that he is a citizen of India. Enlistment of name in the voter list or long stay in the country per se are no proof of citizenship. Lordship. Then, Lordship, as a link document, petitioner placed Gaubra certificate as well as school certificate These documents are not proof. Also in Gaubura certificate was issued only on the basis of 2016 voter list lordship. So apart from that, the documents are also not admissible in evidence due to using of state emblem at the top of the certificate lordship. And others document lordship exhibited documents are not proved by the tribunal, where lordship law has already well settled that lordship documentary evidence should be proved by cogent, reliable, and admissible evidence. Lordship.
Was unreliable and
Admissible evidence. So, lordship, here in this case, lordship, there is no error apparent found in the opinion passed by the learned tribunal, lordship. So, case may be dismissed, lordship. Apart from that, lordship, in this writ petition, lordship, a petitioner relies some affidavit, self suo motu affidavit, lordship, which is not admissible evidence, lordship, regarding suo motu affidavit, lordship. WPC 2751 of 2019, lordship.
275.
Yeah, yes, lordship. 2751 of 2019. Para 12, lordship. The
Yes.
petitioner had sought to clarify the discrepancies found in respect of the names of her projected father by submitting self-sworn affidavit. It is a settled legal position that an affidavit is not evidence within the meaning of Section 3 of the Evidence Act 1872. Affidavits are not included within the purview of the definition of evidence. It is held in Ayub Khan, Nur Khan Pathan versus State of Maharashtra and others, 2013 4 SCC 465, that the filing of an affidavit of one's own statement in one's own favor cannot be regarded as sufficient evidence for any court or tribunal on the basis of which it can come to a conclusion as regards a particular fact situation. And regarding self-sworn affidavit, lordship, there are so many judgments has been passed by this honorable court, lordship. And
The provisions of the Civil Procedure Code as well as the Evidence Act doesn't allow self-sworn affidavit as a piece of evidence.
yes, lordship. Yes, lordship. And apparently, the lordship, in this case, lordship, link has not been established by the petitioner to his projected parents. So my humble submission is that, lordship. Case
What
may
do you
be
have to
dismissed.
say with regard to the land document?
Regarding land document, lordship,
See from the record, what document was exhibited
yes, lord.
from the record?
Yes. Record. Yes, lordship, this is a document of 1947, lordship. Noyaram Namasudra, in the name of Noyaram Namasudra. It is of different place, Lordship. And it has to be proof, Lordship. It has to be proof, Lordship.
By
Because, Lordship, without proving this document, Lordship, a genuinity of this document cannot be established, Lordship. Lordship, I'm going to rely on a decision of this honorable court. I don't have the copy, but by WPC 3807/2016.
2016.
Yes, Lordship. 3807/2016. Romila Khatun versus Union of India, where it was held that, Lordship, it is tried that documentary evidence has to be proved on the basis of the record, and the contemporaneous records must substantiate and prove the contents of the document. Proof of document is one thing and proof of contents is another. Not only the document would have to be proved, but its contents would also have to be proved. That apart, the truthfulness of the contents of the documents would also have to be established from the record. A document or contents of the document cannot be proved on the basis of personal knowledge. Okay. Then document was exhibit 6, Lordship, and tribunal also observed the same thing, Lordship. Exhibit 3 is the Keras Patta Salan having the name of office father at Sayyidpur, number 2, whereas the office stated his father shifting to Ambari, PS Murajar district, Nagaon. Hence, it is not clear whether the said plot of land is still in possession, as the said exhibit has no proof as per provisions of law.
Yes. What else? The document was not proved.
Yes, Doctor.
What is the judgment regarding that evidence whose name is not there in the written statement? That anybody can appear. That case where the mother appeared mother of the proceedee appeared and
Yes, Lordship.
submitted her evidence.
Yes.
There are also cases,
Yes, yes,
the
Lord.
father and mother,
Yes, Lord.
projected father, mother
Yes.
appeared.
And Noor Begum, Lordship, 1919 oblique. I think Lordship, one is 1900 oblique 19, Lordship. I could not getting the copy, Lordship. Noor Begum, Lordship, regarding mother's evidence, Lordship. WBC.
No, there are judgments of Buddha Vyas where
One is 1900 oblique 19, Lordship.
that's right.
Yes, Lord.
Noor Begum.
Yes, Lordship. Page 4, Lordship, second para. Statement of DW to Zohrun Begum, who claimed to be the mother of the petitioner, cannot be relied upon in the absence of any documents showing her relationship either to the projected grandfather, father, or to the petitioner herself. Oral testimony of DW2 alone sends any documentary
No,
support.
the proof, the Honorable Court observed
Yes, Lordship.
in a proceeding under the Foreigners Act 1946 and the Foreigners Tribunals Order 1964,
Yes,
the evidentiary value of oral testimony
yes,
without support of documentary evidence is wholly insignificant.
yes, Lordship.
Oral testimony alone is of no proof of
Yes,
citizenship.
Lordship. There are another case, Lordship, Bijoy Das case is there, Lordship. Bijoy Das, Lordship, 2024 GLT 611.
Repeat the number.
2024 GLT 611 and WBC 1455 oblique 2. Oh, this is not Lordship.
2024 GLT
611.
and another you said repetition.
Lordship. I think it is not correct, Lordship. I can provide, Lordship. Bijoy Das, Lordship. It will Marathi 1455. Okay.
আপুনি কৰি দিয়ক। You said Bijoy Das.
Yes, Lordship.
Bijoy Das,
It 145. I'm getting Lordship.
6825.
Yes.
My bench assistant is very expert. He immediately made it. That's why we're insisting that our bench assistant should be LLB degree holders.
Yes, Lordship, I know. WPC 562 of 2016, Lord. Hmm. Para 17, Lordship.
This doesn't say anything much.
Lordship.
Bijoy Das.
Para 17, Lordship.
Bijoy Das.
Yes, Lordship.
The para starts with
It is tried that mere filing of written statement or oral testimony in a proceeding under the foreigners
not the Bijoy Das. Which WPC number?
562 of 2016. Decided on 18/4/2018.
Just a minute. Please say
562 of 2016 WPC.
2016.
Yes, Doctor.
Para 17.
Para 17.
Two 2016.
Yes, Lordship. 562 of 2016. Decided on 18/4/2018. Very 1/4. Reported in 2018 3 GLT 118.
Where is the judgment beyond return statement?
Beyond written statement. There are so many judgment, Lordship. In 2017 4 GLT 346. Rosminara Begum. Two thousand 4 GLT 346. Para 12.
Which para you said?
Para 12. Lord.
No. There is another Rasminara Begum, I believe. Okay. 2017 4 GLT 346.
Yes.
I don't think.
Yes, Lordship. 346 para 20, Lordship. Para 20. Sorry, Lordship. Para 20.
No, para 20 is the repeatance of the Sarvananda Chunwala order. Para 25.
Yes.
Para
Yes, Lordship.
25.
Yes, yes. Written statement is the basic statement of defense of a proceeding before the foreign tribunal, keeping in mind the mandate of Section 9 of the Foreign Act 1946, it is the incumbent upon the proceeding to disclose at the first instance itself, that is, in his written statement, all the relevant facts, especially within his knowledge, having a material bearing on his claim to citizenship of India. Material facts pleaded in the written statement are thereafter required to be proved by adducing cogent and reliable evidence. It is also tried that a party cannot traverse beyond the pleadings made in the written statement. And another is Lordship 2017 3 GLR 820. Here, para 12 Lordship.
Please give us the record. So, Mr. Atia, the case of the petitioner here is on the basis of voter list of 1966 showing his father, his name in that list. Then the voter list of 71, which was not a certified copy.
70 is the certified copy.
70 is certified copy. 71, I don't know why it has been written as exhibit 2, but 70 is the exhibit 2. That's correct. That's a certified copy. Name of your mother. Then the exhibit 3 is the voter list of 1997,
My lord.
where name of your brother and your mother is there, but relates to Ambari Bongaon, Ghoniar Par Bongaon, Tongonia Gongaon. Then exhibit 4 that relates to again the voter list of 2005. This time it is Ghoniar Par Forest Village, not Ambari. All along it is the contention of the petitioners that they lived in the Ambari.
Demarcated my lord, time to time, my lord. That's why.
In 2010, okay, Ambari Gaon, let us say. Again is a voter list of 2010. Your mother's name is there. Then exhibit 6 is the deposit of land revenue. Sometimes in the year 1949, March 1949, 47. Name of one, Noeram Namasudra, which your projected father. It was in 1947.
47.
And thereafter, nothing has been placed. Whether the land was
School certificate.
owned by you. Then exhibit 7 is your summon issued by a court. To your father during 1959. Exhibit 8 is the government Gaumura certificate that has the national emblem. And this, then the suo motu affidavit, exhibit 9, by the mother of the projected mother of the petition. Now, Any other documents that you have annexed or exhibited?
Exhibit 9 is a school certificate here, my lord.
Exhibit 9 is the. Here exhibit 9 is the affidavit of your mother. The school certificate is not exhibited here. Somehow two exhibits 9 is there. One exhibit 9 is your mother and another
is
exhibit 9 is there of your
school,
School certificate.
school certificate. That is also with the national emblem. Now, neither these documents, whether exhibit 1, then the exhibit 2, those are 2 certified copies of voter list. These are as a whole not proved. The certificate,
Is the
school
printed-
certificate not been proved by the headmaster or
printed
any other authority.
Printed copy printed by the authority, my lord.
Hmm.
Voter list are printed copies
See,
printed by the authority.
yes. Yes.
Well, this is not the case of long staying, my lord. He is the citizen by birth, my lord.
Fine, but where is the name of the registered thing, what we found? Anyway, we'll consider all these aspects. Then the land document relating to the payment of land revenue of in the year March 1947. Thereafter, nothing has been placed to show that your father was the owner of the land. Here he had said that
One Jamabandi there, my lord, I don't know
that has not
whether
been, that has
these
not,
are
is not a part
exhibit-
of the exhibit before the tribunal.
my lord.
Gamuda certificate not proved by producing the evidence of the concerned Gamuda. The school certificate not proved by producing the headmaster or any present headmaster or other using authority of the school. Moreover, Buddha certificates have the national emblem. The self-shown affidavit of the projected mother, that
Yeah.
also, as you know,
Clarifying the name
that
of
has nothing to do.
incorrect name of the father uh, in the voter list of 1966, verified by the affidavit, the mother of the prisoner.
There is no mention when they have filed our appropriate application for correction that Urmila Namasudra is the wife of late Nayaram.
Subsequent voter
Namasudra.
list, voter list revealed that
Those voter lists were not, things are different. That was a voter list of 1990. That is a voter list of 2000,
2005, 2010.
2005, 2010, nothing to do 1971. More important is that there is a judgment that which yet to be placed by Mr. Sharma,
Lordship.
where the court have said with regard to the foreigners are going to constitute nationality. One part from this document, one part from
Yes,
that
yes,
document
Lordship.
cannot be accepted. If you are producing a certified copy of a voter list, whatever is there, you have to accept in toto.
Yes,
You have to completely, you have to accept it. So here it is shown as daughter of Nayaram. It has to be daughter of Nayaram only. It cannot be considered as the wife of Nayaram. There is a judgment.
yes, Lordship. 2018 1 GLT 372.
discrepancy is there, my lord, but my lord.
No, that's
other-
true, because discrepancies, that is the reason why if you read the judgment of Kafetullah or Kafetullah, Their lordships in the Honorable Apex Court, what they have considered. If you see, that is the judgment you should read properly to see that what will happen. Therein, because the Apex Court has the power under Article 32 to grant the final relief, which under Article 286 it is not there. That's the difference. Otherwise, 226 is always big, but the High Court doesn't have the power to give the final relief. That relief is available only with the Article 32 by Apex Court. Now, there what lordships, because it was there before the lordships in that particular case, whether it was rejected by the High Court while exercising the church authority, but Supreme Court has considered. The house number, the village, and name of the family member, above and below the name of the proceeding, was same. There is no difference from the voter list of 1966, 70, subsequent till here. But only in one voter list, there was a change. Capitula, son of something like that. So, while considering the continuity of the voter list, that is the difficult. Here you will see the continuity of the voter list. There is no gap. Like here you have a voter list of 2005 from 1970. It's not like that.
1970 to 1997.
So there was a gap here,
There's a gap.
but there it is
Big gap.
continuously. The voter list that was placed before the Honorable Apex was also a part of the evidence. And then the Honorable Apex Court found that in this continuity of the voter list, above and below the name of this particular person remain intact, and there are some typographical error showing this particular and some whatever. But the name of the father remain intact. Name of the persons above him, below him in the voter list, continuity of the voter list, and the name of the father remain intact. Only name of the proceeding, some spelling mistake was there. In that circumstance, the Honorable Apex Court considered it. Here, the differences are the relation between the projected mother and the projected father, right? And the voter list is not continuous. Okay. The things, that is why those normally what happens under the representation of the people, like Mr. Ate, as you know, if there is some incorrect in the draft voter list, sufficient times are given and needs to be correct. And that is why you will see even here in your case, the corrected voter list of corrected voter list. It is always there. If somebody is not taking the advantage of that, has to accept the same thing. So that is why you see that probably that's when I have not seen 2018 once I have that.
Actually, it is the failure of the petitioner, my lord. They could not collect, my lord, the
Not now. It is not.
voter list of.
It is, see, basically the reason why I am saying it. There is a very old case of Honorable Supreme Court. The person who went to Supreme Pakistan came back again, wanted to be an Indian. There the lordships have in their case has categorically said the knowledge here under Section 9 of the foreigners is only with the proceeding concern and nobody else. And that is why also you'll see in the Sarvananda Sonal 1, the objection of the government council is not required.
Not required.
It is to the satisfaction of the tribunal if the proceeding fails. Because the knowledge is personal to him, it's against nobody. Has to be put. So that's how the difference, because act, we cannot go beyond the act. Right. So the act therein is very, very specific. We'll see. Any citation you like to place?
No, my lord.
These are only on the facts we are doing it,
On
right?
the fact. It is also fact that they are the Indian
There
citizens,
is, see,
but
basically,
only the part of their failure, my lord. They could not prove their case, my lord.
What is the citation? Two
Before
thousand
that.
eighteen CGLT page?
In 2018 1 GLT 372. And this was again relied by Lordship again this honorable court in WBC 1073 oblique 2016 para 20.
Which para, Mr. Sharma?
My lord, last page Lordship from second para, last page second para. Reliance placed in the case of Abdul Matali, alias Matleb Muhammad Supra can be of no assistance to the petitioner in as much as it has already been clarified by this court in previous decisions that the said decision did not lay down any law and was a decision confined to the facts and circumstances of that case. Regarding discrepancies in the voter list, which the petitioner contended were not her creation being entered into by the officials of Election Commission and therefore should not be used adversely against the petitioner, such contention is without any substance. The voter list were adduced as evidence by the petitioner herself to prove her case that she was not a foreigner but a citizen of India. Petitioner cannot insist that
Which
only
is
the
the other case you said about?
yes, Lordship 1073 oblique 2016, para 20. WBC 1073 of 2016.
2016,
Yes, Lordship. Abdul Quddus,
para?
20. Wow. A contention was raised during the hearing.
Okay. Mr. Rathia, anything else?
My lord, my last prayer is, my lord, since the all members of the petitioner is not declared as foreigners, or there is no objection against them, my lordship may kindly give a chance them to prove their case, my lord. Their case, my lord, there is sufficient document, my lord, but only for their negligence or their fault, my lord, they suffer and come to this position, my lord. If lordship would not allow them to prove their case again, my lord, I think, my lord, they can prove their case, my lord.
This petitioner is mentally retarded, my.
There is a statement we found.
Yes.
But nothing, no medical
Yes,
certificate.
my
and
lord,
nothing
no
has been
medical
placed. There
document.
was a statement there, you have seen in the record.
Yes, my.
See, basically, a person been in a nation for a long period and suddenly declared, not suddenly, after declaring, after proceeding with the foreigner, it is difficult to accept for that,
Accept.
right? We know that case because we have seen people. We had a mechanic in our house. He is original from Golaghat, Bengali speaking, Hindu. And we had an ambassador car,
Yes,
my father.
that
So
some blue, light blue color.
he remembered. So he used to always look after. He was declared, not declared as a foreigner, he had his foreigners. During the later part of my father's life, he succeeded in that. He was so happy. He has thrown a party for my father. So during that period, he's always upset. We understood why. So he was considered to be a foreigner. So his parents were there in Balaghat and all. So we know, we understand actually. But Mr. Azir Atia, Land Council for the petitioner. And Mr. B. Sharma, Lanet CGC, for the respondent in of India, for the respondent number 1 in Union of India. Also heard Mr. Z. Sharma, Standing Council, Purva, Home Department, Assam, for the respondent number 2, 5, and 6. Come on. Mr. Atal Luther, Common Advocate, Assam, for the respondent number 4, and Mr. H. Puli, Standing Council Election Commission of India, for the respondent number 7. Where is the records in original referring to FT in bracket L, case number 1419. Order reserved. My brother has a single bench, we have to write.
Hmm.
Two brother, okay. Right.